What's up, guys? Today I got the XVX H61 wired aluminum mechanical keyboard. Guys, let's go. Woo! Guys, look at this. The XVX H61 60% mechanical keyboard. Guys, this is beautiful. I love the Kanagawa theme. Look at that. Look at these keycaps, guys. Beautiful. And aluminum. I love the feel. It's got a little heft to it, and it feels really, really good. Now let's talk about what was in the box. You get the user manual. You get the USB-A to USB-C wire. This is a wired keyboard, so it's a really nice kind of braided cable. You get a keycap puller and switch puller. This is hot swappable. You get a couple extra keycaps. You get a couple extra creamy, medium, purple switches. Okay, listen to this. Nice. And guys, you get a themed strap. Yes, because you can't be a cool keyboard nowadays without a strap. I'm gonna go set this up, plug it in, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, we have the XVX H61 set up. And guys, love this 60% form factor. Absolutely love it. I also love the Kanagawa theme. Guys, it is an absolutely beautiful keyboard, okay? Look, and you even have the strap, okay? Look at that. It's made of a really nice silk feeling material, and you get that beautiful theme design right there. Again, can't be a cool keyboard without a strap these days. Guys, loving the RGBs. Look how bright they are. So impressive. And with the see-through keycaps, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, you do have 15 different light settings. You change them by pressing the function and this button. Check this out. So cool. There are a ton of really, really nice settings. Look at this. Absolutely love all of these, okay? Let's just stay with this one for now. But guys, yeah, overall, beautiful. PBT keycaps, really good form factor. I want to do a quick sound test. Okay guys, I'm back. We just heard the sound test and I wanted to talk about the software. Guys, check this out. So nothing really crazy in this piece of software right here. It's actually just allows you to control the profiles. You have some macro settings right here that you can do, as well as you can change the light effect right here. It's not the most robust application, but it does actually work. Back to the keyboard. Okay guys, overall, the XVX H61 is an amazing keyboard. You have the 60% form factor. I love it because it's nice and compact. You have this amazing strap right here, which just tells you have a cool keyboard. You have the Kanagawa theme, which is absolutely beautiful. You have the amazing RGB settings. You have the see-through keycaps. And guys, you have a fully responsive mechanical keyboard. Hot swappable, so you can swap out the switches, you can swap out the keys. But guys, overall, right out of the box, you get an amazing, budget-friendly mechanical gaming keyboard. I am telling you, this, for the price, is an absolute value, okay? Absolutely love everything about it. I love the look, I love the sound, I love the feel. Tino Reviews, XVX H61 is an absolute 2 thumbs up. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you guys on the next one.